Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to be installing this magnet smartphone mount underneath the touchscreen on my Tesla. I have a 2022 Model Y. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. This is the mount. Once I open it, I'll see that one side has the 3M tape on it and the other side is a super strong magnet. This magnetic smartphone mount works with a magnetic phone case. Let's see how strong this magnet really is. I'll attach my iPhone that has that magnetic phone case on it and we'll give it a good wiggle waggle. As you can see, there's no slippage and it's not falling off. So I would say that this magnet is super strong. The thing that I like best about this mount is that you can fold it when you're not using it so you can hide it, but also how you can install it on your touchscreen. You can use it this way or you can use it this way. But I'm going to use it underneath my touchscreen because I don't like anything that's going to interfere with my driving. So I'm going to place it on the bottom of the touchscreen. The first thing I'm going to do is prep the touchscreen with an alcohol swab, just to clean off any residue or debris. Now we can go ahead and remove the 3M film and press the sticky side to the underside of the touchscreen. Now we can go ahead and stick our phone onto the mount. And as you can see, the phone mount is not in my way at all when I'm driving. When installing this mount underneath the touchscreen, you'll notice that I can only keep the phone in landscape mode, but that's okay with me. Now I'll show you how I take off the iPhone and I can easily close the mount. And now it is totally out of the way. And that is the magnetic smartphone mount that I purchased off of Amazon for around $26. I will leave a link in the description box below in case you would like to buy it for yourself. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.